Welcome back to Alvi Associates. Today we journey through the construction of the Faisal Mosque. Located in Islamabad, Pakistan, Faisal Mosque stands as an architectural wonder. From its soaring minarets to its vast prayer hall, every aspect speaks of meticulous planning. Let's explore the fascinating process behind its creation. We'll uncover the story of the Faisal Mosque, from its initial conception to its grand inauguration. Join us as we witness the fusion of modern design and traditional Islamic aesthetics together. Our journey begins with the genesis of an idea. The design of Faisal Mosque was born from the imagination of renowned Turkish architect Vedat Dalokay. His vision was a departure from traditional mosque architecture inspired by the Bedouin tent. This concept translated into the mosque's most striking feature, its vast sloping roof. This design choice reflected Pakistan's ambition to embrace modernity while staying true to its Islamic heritage. Dalokay's design incorporated geometric shapes and structural elements rarely seen before. Triangles, squares and circles intertwined, creating harmony and balance. The main prayer hall was designed to accommodate a large congregation while maintaining an intimate atmosphere. White marble, sourced from Pakistan's mountains, was chosen for its purity and elegance. Every detail, from the shape of the minarets to the patterns on the prayer rugs, was carefully considered. With a groundbreaking design in hand, the journey to bring the vision to life began. The next step was finding the perfect location, a task that required both creativity and practicality. The site chosen for the Faisal Mosque was nothing short of spectacular, nestled at the foot of the majestic Margalla Hills, providing a serene and picturesque setting. The rolling hills provide a stunning backdrop to the mosque's pristine white marble, enhancing its beauty. The site was meticulously selected to complement and enhance the mosque's innovative design. The mosque's location at the highest point of the city further accentuated its grandeur and visibility. Engineers and architects worked tirelessly to ensure stability on the challenging sloping terrain. Detailed geological surveys were conducted to understand the soil composition and stability, and the foundation was designed with advanced techniques to withstand seismic activity, ensuring safety. The main prayer hall faces Mecca, a crucial aspect that required precise calculations and adjustments. This alignment was achieved through meticulous planning and engineering expertise. Gardens and courtyards were strategically placed to provide shade and tranquility, creating a peaceful environment. These green spaces also played a vital role in regulating the temperature within the mosque's complex, enhancing comfort. The site selection and planning phase was a testament to meticulous attention to detail and thoughtful design. It was a period of collaboration and innovation, where every decision was made with care and precision. Every aspect of the mosque's location and orientation was in perfect harmony with its surroundings and sacred purpose, reflecting a deep respect for both nature and spirituality. The year was 1976, a time of great anticipation and excitement. With the design finalized and the site meticulously prepared, the momentous occasion to break ground had finally arrived. The groundbreaking ceremony was a momentous occasion attended by dignitaries and thousands of well-wishers, all eager to witness the beginning of this grand project. The construction of the Faisal Mosque was not just a building project, it was a national endeavor, a symbol of Pakistan's aspirations, and a testament to its architectural ambition. The initial phase focused on laying the foundation, a task of immense scale and complexity, requiring precision and dedication. Engineers had to ensure the foundation could bear the weight of the massive structure, a challenge that demanded their utmost expertise and attention to detail. Excavation work began on a massive scale, with heavy machinery and teams of workers transforming the landscape. Teams of workers moved mountains of earth to create a level base, a crucial step in ensuring the stability of the future structure. The foundation itself was a marvel of engineering, incorporating advanced construction techniques that were ahead of their time. Reinforced concrete and steel girders formed the backbone of the mosque, providing the necessary strength and durability. Quality control was paramount throughout the foundation laying process, with rigorous checks and balances in place. Every stage was meticulously inspected to ensure the highest standards, leaving no room for error. This unwavering commitment to quality ensured the mosque's longevity and structural integrity, making it a lasting symbol of pride for generations to come. With the foundation in place, the construction entered a new phase, the erection of its iconic structural framework. This was where Vedat Dalokay's vision truly began to take shape. The mosque's unconventional design presented unprecedented engineering challenges. Central to the framework were massive concrete beams, precast off-site. These beams formed the skeleton of the mosque, supporting its vast roof and towering minarets. The mosque's distinctive triangular supports were also cast in concrete. As the concrete framework rose, a complex network of scaffolding enveloped the structure. Cranes lifted the heavy beams and supports into place, guided by skilled workers. Each piece was carefully aligned and bolted together, forming a complex jigsaw puzzle. The rhythmic clang of hammers and the whir of welding torches filled the air. The work continued unabated, driven by a shared vision and a deep sense of purpose. The Faisal Mosque's roof, a vast, sloping expanse of white marble, is its most defining feature. This iconic structure not only defines the skyline, but also represents the fusion of traditional Islamic architecture with modern engineering. Constructing this unique roof required innovative engineering solutions. The architects and engineers had to overcome numerous challenges to bring this vision to life. The process began with the assembly of steel trusses, designed to span the prayer hall. These trusses were meticulously planned to ensure they could support the weight of the marble roof. These trusses formed a strong and lightweight framework. This framework was essential to maintain the structural integrity of the mosque while keeping the roof's weight manageable. White marble, quarried from Pakistan's mountains, was chosen for its durability and beauty. The selection of this material was crucial to achieving the mosque's aesthetic and functional goals. The marble panels were hoisted onto the roof using pulleys and cables. This method required precision and coordination to ensure the panels were not damaged during installation. Workers guided the heavy panels into place, aligning and securing them. Their expertise was vital in ensuring that each panel fit perfectly, creating a seamless surface. The roof's tent-like structure presented unique challenges in waterproofing and insulation. These challenges had to be addressed to protect the interior from the elements. A waterproofing membrane and insulation layer were applied. This ensured that the mosque remained comfortable and dry, regardless of the weather conditions outside. The entire roof was covered with white marble tiles laid by hand. This painstaking process required great attention to detail and a high level of craftsmanship. The completion of the roof marked a significant milestone. It was a moment of pride for everyone involved in the project. The sloping expanse of white marble was a testament to the workers' skill and dedication. Their hard work and commitment were evident in every aspect of the roof's construction. It was a symbol of faith, a canopy of prayer for generations to come. The roof of the Faisal Mosque stands as a beacon of architectural brilliance and spiritual significance. The Faisal Mosque's 4 towering minarets reach skyward like needles piercing the clouds. These minarets serve as a visual reminder of the call to prayer. Each minaret, standing 80 meters tall, was constructed using slip forming. This method involved building a continuous, moving formwork. As the concrete cured, the formwork was slowly raised, revealing the smooth surface. Inside each minaret, a spiral staircase winds its way to the top. The exterior is clad in white marble, creating a sense of unity. At the top of each minaret sits a crescent moon, crafted from polished stainless steel. The construction of the minarets was a complex and challenging undertaking. The end result was a triumph of engineering and design. The Faisal Mosque's interior is a harmonious blend of grandeur and tranquility. Natural light floods the interior through geometric patterns etched into marble screens. These screens provide privacy while allowing light and air to circulate. The floor is covered in plush carpets, woven in intricate patterns. At the front of the prayer hall is the mihrab, adorned with intricate calligraphy. Above the mihrab hangs a magnificent chandelier, a cascade of crystal and light. The walls are adorned with verses from the Quran, executed by master craftsmen. Every detail, from door handles to light fixtures, was carefully considered. The interior is a testament to the power of human creativity and Islamic art. It is a space that inspires awe and wonder, a sanctuary of serenity. After years of meticulous planning and tireless labor, the Faisal Mosque stood complete. Its gleaming white marble and soaring minarets dominated the Islamabad skyline. The mosque's inauguration in 1986 was a momentous occasion. King Fahd bin Abdulaziz of Saudi Arabia graced the occasion as chief guest, Dignitaries, religious scholars, and thousands of worshippers attended the ceremony. The call to prayer echoed across the city, marking the mosque's true purpose. The Faisal Mosque stood as a testament to human ingenuity and faith. It marked the culmination of a dream, a vision brought to life. The mosque became a focal point for the community, a place of worship and gathering. The Faisal Mosque stands today as a symbol of hope and unity. It is a reminder that beauty and unity can prevail. Faisal Mosque is not just a place of worship, it's a symbol of Pakistan's modern architectural journey. Its construction was a true feat of engineering, and its impact on Islamic architecture is undeniable. We hope this deep dive into its construction process gave you a greater appreciation of this monumental achievement. From its conception as a bold vision to its realization in stone and marble, the Faisal Mosque stands as a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and faith. Its story is a reminder that even the most audacious dreams can be realized with collaboration, dedication, and a commitment to excellence.